So this is our Mission Impossible. The start action is always the drop the ball, our case the 8 ball, into the cup. And so we drop the cup, in the cup there's a button there that is wired up to some battery and a fan. This battery's a 9-volt battery. This fan blows a boat. Our boat is a ping pong ball, 10 centimeters, and it hits this pin on the end of our little pool. Then it knocks these 4 dominoes down. Then the last domino that is tied to a rubber band falls onto this mousetrap. This mousetrap then pulls a couple strings, or a single string in a bunch of pulleys. It pulls this pin. This pin is supposed to be in here, and that drops this giant wedge. That wedge has a ball in here in this little cage that is behind the yellow ruler. That yellow ruler is marking how far it goes, and in the very end of that cage is a golf ball. When the ball gets separated, hits this sign, it activates the 3-to-1 gear ratio. This 3-to-1 gear ratio pulls a string that lifts a wedge, so this ball right here can roll 20 centimeters down to this mousetrap. This mousetrap lifts this 3-to-1 gear ratio that lifts the ball 5 centimeters, marked by the blue ruler, and then the ball rolls onto this mousetrap. This mousetrap pulls a string that is the blue pin. That pin then releases this weight at the bottom, or it's going to be up here and then it goes to the bottom. But it releases a weight that drops and then moves this wing at 2 centimeters. It starts like right here. So yeah, it moves 20 centimeters. Then this wing that hits this mousetrap then pulls this stick that releases this syringe. The syringe then raises this golf ball 5 centimeters, marked by the blue ruler. Raise it 5 centimeters, and then it hits the mousetrap. Then the mousetrap pulls this green string, and this green string pulls a white tee that's right there on the back side. The back side, it has right here, there's a weight that falls, and then it raises this golf ball 10 centimeters, marked by the pink ruler. Then that golf ball hits a mousetrap that activates this blue pin that releases the other weight on the back that activates this wheel and axle. This wheel and axle then raises this golf ball 10 centimeters. This golf ball then hits a mousetrap. This mousetrap pulls a couple strings that releases a drawer from this little box right here, and when you release the drawer, it pulls a weight that raises this 2-to-1 gear ratio, that raises 10 centimeters, marked by the ruler. Then the green ball hits the mousetrap, that goes to a pulley, that goes to this thumbtack. That thumbtack then will be stuck into this styrofoam. It's squishy, and then it starts the pendulum. The pendulum then the weight falls after taking 10 seconds. It falls onto this mousetrap. This mousetrap pulls this pin right here, and this pin will be in this white little tube that this ball will then roll on to the tee. And then this will move back out of the way, so everything will be 10 centimeters. Everything will be within 10 centimeters of the ball.
3, 2, 1.